I'm always looking for a better and easier way to be prepared for winter with my car. So I purchased this NOCO Boost Plus GB40 car battery jump starter. I really love that this one product is so safe and easy to use when jump starting my car. In this video, I'll show you how to use it and explain why I just love it. And I'll also mention a couple things that, well, aren't exactly perfect. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use and recommend in the description below. So to use a battery jump starter like the NOCO Boost GB40, make sure that the NOCO is at least 50% charged but turned off. Plug in the cable for the clamps to the end of it, and then connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead car's battery and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Power on the GB40. You'll see the charge LEDs will chase back and forth, and that's telling you that it's ready to jump start. Then start your car. Once the car is running, power off the unit and disconnect the clamps. And again, drive your car for about a half hour or so to charge the battery enough so it'll start on its own the next time. So how is this NOCO GB40 jump starter better than jumper cables? Well, you don't need a second car. You don't need to position one car in front of the other car, which sometimes isn't easy to do if one of them's dead. It's much easier to connect. No risk of touching the terminals together, creating a short. No risk of damaging the electrical system of either car due to the other car's potentially skeptical electrical system. Sure, the NOCO GB40 jump starter is more expensive than using booster cables, but it has other bonus features like a built-in flashlight, and you can vary the intensity and put it into emergency mode too. And using the USB out, you can plug in the cable and charge up your cell phone too. Click here for my next video on getting your car ready for winter, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.